Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best slider fidget available on the market right now. It's the 2023 new Decompression metal poker fidget slider. This isn't just any ordinary fidget toy. It's engineered for maximum stress relief and built with high-quality materials. Stick around as we explore what makes this gadget a must-have for your collection. Let's kick things off with an overview. The 2023 new Decompression metal poker fidget slider comes in a sleek design crafted from durable metal, giving it a premium feel in your hands. It's compact enough to fit into your pocket or sit neatly on your desk, ready to be used whenever you need a moment of relaxation. One of the standout features of this fidget slider is its magnetic build. The magnets not only add a satisfying click when you slide the pieces but also enhance the overall tactile experience. Whether you're fidgeting out of habit or using it to stay focused during tasks, the smooth, precision-engineered sliders offer a satisfying glide. Beyond its addictive tactile feel, this slider serves a practical purpose too. It's designed to reduce stress and anxiety by keeping your hands occupied, making it ideal for those tense moments at work or when you just need to unwind. Plus, its silent operation ensures you won't disturb others around you. How does the 2023 new Decompression metal poker fidget slider stack up against other fidget toys? Unlike spinners or traditional stress balls, this slider offers a unique blend of quiet operation and tactile satisfaction. It's designed for versatility and longevity, making it a worthy investment for anyone looking to upgrade their fidget collection. Now, let's talk about real-world performance. It's built to withstand daily use without losing its smooth action or magnetic attraction. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who values quality gadgets, this fidget slider promises to be a reliable companion. In conclusion, the 2023 new Decompression metal poker fidget slider is more than just a toy. It's a tool that enhances focus, relieves stress, and adds a touch of elegance to your workspace. If you're looking for the best slider fidget on the market, look no further. Trust me, this one's a winner. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this review, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth looks at the latest gadgets and gizmos. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of innovative products.